in this synthesis problem, we want to prepare the product starting with this acid chloride. And if we look, we have the phenyl group and a carbonyl in the starting material. And we have a phenyl group and the alcohol in the product. So those are likely the same fragments. So effectively, what we're going to have to do is add a few different things. And let's just point out a couple of things. Here is a methyl group that could have been added to a carbonyl. And then if you think about this as being a carbonyl carbon at some point, and you have an alpha and beta position, we could potentially add another methyl group at the beta position through cuprate chemistry. And then we can add this portion of the molecule just to the carbonyl. So a lot to think about here, but if we break this apart, let's go in reverse. And I'm going to start by kind of disassembling, starting with this methyl group. So we could add the Grignard reagent to this carbonyl compound. Next, let's think about taking away this methyl group. So that we would do through cuprate chemistry, in which case there would be an alpha-beta double bond. And here's my cuprate reagent. Finally, we can do our last disconnection right here and say that that came from the acid chloride. Plus, here's where you have to be careful. If you were to just add a Grignard reagent, that would add twice, and it would not give you this is the final product. So if we want to add something just once to an acid chloride and end up with a ketone, what we want to use is a cuprate. So in this case, I need this whole portion bonded to my copper. So let's draw that out. So that portion, here's my bond to the copper and the lithium, and let's put parentheses around this and say that there's two of those. All right, let's write this out in the forward direction. Here's the acid chloride. The cuprate followed by water. That will give this product. Now I can add the methyl cuprate. That gives me this product. And then finally, I'll add the methyl Grignard, followed by an acid step. And that gives me the final product of the reaction.